10 years of fear can be removed in just 10 minutes. Yes. Now, the question is not whether it's possible. The question is, would you like to remove all your fears in 10 minutes? Yes, it is possible. And instead of just telling you how, I want to give you the proof once again today. So, in my recent workshop of NLP, which is called as Neuro Linguistic Programming, which is the superpower of law of attraction, I coached a girl who was stuck in fear for a long period of time. And on the video, you will see right now, when we were coaching her, she was going through so much fear that during the conversation, she started feeling that fear. You will probably relate with her that when we get stuck in our fear for a long period of time, for years, we remain stuck. Today, you will witness how years of fear can be completely eliminated in just 10 minutes. Watch it, get inspired, and I want you to believe that if she can do it, even you can do it. Ready? Those of you who are meeting me for the first time, my name is Mitesh Khatri. I and my wife, Indu Khatri, we are law of attraction coaches. And today I'm here to show you how you can eliminate your fears by looking at the proof of someone we practiced NLP with in our live NLP workshop. Ready to watch the video? Let's go. Niara, what's the fear for you?
It's fear of rejection, sir.
Fear of rejection. Okay, let's take this one because this is very common. This is very important also. Now, right now, when you say fear of rejection, it's a fear because you can talk about it and there's no facial expression changing. Fear of rejection in what area?
I'm like 40, I'm unmarried, and I'm like very much uncomfortable with the boys. Means I can make good friend of them, but every time when I'm like, approaching them, like for marriage or something like that, I always feel like I will get rejected. It's so ingrained.
So the problem is not being rejected if you observe carefully. The problem is not being rejected. The problem is fear of rejection.
Yeah,
right? Selection and rejection both is part of conversations.
मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि in the initial I'm like confident, but slowly things works out or something like that.
So I got it. I got your fear of being rejected.
I'm not able to work out on this sphere of life.
I get it. So fear of rejected by boys for marriage or for a relationship, right?
I'm capable. I'm a good choice.
Nihara, I got it. I got it. You don't need to explain the fear so many times. That's your fear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. So let's handle that. What is fear? And let's understand what is the opposite of fear first. A fear is something you think you cannot do or you think you cannot handle. It's a thought. It's a perception. Let me explain. When you have fear of a snake biting you, 80% of that fear is hypothetical. In fact, 90% of that fear is hypothetical. 10% fear is real. Let me explain what I mean by that. When the snake actually bites you in reality, do you know how much it hurts when a snake bites you? Make a hypothetical clarity that what do you think? Can anybody make a guess? What is the intensity of a snake bite?
Little, but after that it might be it's like
more. So it's very little.
Yeah.
It's not the way they show in movies about that you go through crazy pain and all that. No. The actual bite of a snake is like a needle prick. That's it. Have you ever, while sewing or something, have you ever pricked yourself with a needle? It's that level of prick. That's it. What you're scared of is not that prick. What you're scared of is the story you have in your mind, the perception you have in your mind about the snake biting. Am I right? Because the prick in itself is very small. 90% of the fear is not of that prick, is of the idea of that prick. Just like that, any fear is 90% hypothetical, 10% real. Rejection is 10% real. When a boy says no to you, 90% of that fear is how you feel about that fear. So let's take care of that. Write down what is the opposite of fear. Everybody tell me what's the opposite of fear.
Fear.
No. What's the opposite of fear? It's not confidence. It's not acceptance. Opposite of fear is comfort. Example, there are two people who go for a roller coaster ride. You know what's a roller coaster? So when there are two people who go, one is comfortable, the second is scared. There are always these two kind of people, right? Now, people who are comfortable are not scared because comfort doesn't allow fear. Like right now, tell me one area where you're really comfortable and you're not scared there.
Professionally, I'm pretty good.
Very good. So in your professional area, if you face some rejection, if somebody says no to you, that's okay.
So
See,
what?
So you're comfortable with a no in your professional area. Good. Now we need to transfer this comfort into personal area. This is called transferring comfort. Instead of transferring a belief, this is transferring comfort. You remember how we did the belief transfer exercise? Just like that, we are doing the transferring comfort exercise. So let's do it. I want you to tell me 3 things where you're really comfortable. And 3 very common, very simple things where your comfort can never go away even in future.
Like professionally or like...
Doesn't matter. And it can be cooking, it can be walking, it can be making your hair, anything.
Yeah, I love cooking.
So you're comfortable cooking?
Yeah.
Okay, 2.
I'm comfortable, like I'm a very caring person. So
what are you comfortable with? Are you comfortable with laptop?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, 3rd. Are you comfortable eating your own food?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you see, the reason I took that point is because you said that yes so obviously, like, of course. That is why I need that comfort, because that is so common. So I'm now going to ask you that question again, that are you comfortable with that? And you're going to say yes. And I want you to say it with the full statement this time. Yes, I'm comfortable doing that. Example, yes, I'm comfortable cooking.
Yes, I'm comfortable with cooking.
Now say, yes, I'm comfortable using a laptop.
Yes, I'm comfortable using a laptop.
Yes, I'm comfortable eating my own food.
Yes, I'm comfortable eating my food.
Perfect. So I'm going to ask you that question again, and you're going to give me the full answer. Ready? Okay, here we go. Are you comfortable cooking?
Yes, I'm comfortable with cooking.
Are you comfortable using a laptop?
Yes, I'm pretty much comfortable with using a laptop.
What was the third one? You comfortable
with eating your food?
Eating food. So are you comfortable eating your food?
Yeah, I'm pretty much comfortable eating my food.
Are you comfortable cooking?
Yes, I'm comfortable with cooking.
Are you comfortable eating your own food?
Yes, I'm comfortable eating my food.
Are you comfortable using a laptop?
Yes, I'm comfortable using a laptop.
All right, now we're going to go alternate, which means first time you're going to say, I'm comfortable cooking my food. And then immediately you're going to say, I'm comfortable with rejection with boys. Then you're going to say, I'm comfortable with eating my own food. And then you're going to say, I'm comfortable with rejecting my own, with boys. Then again, you're going to say, I'm comfortable using a laptop. I'm comfortable being rejected by boys. Clear? It's just a thought. It's just a comfort. We need to mechanically replace that in your brain at a neurological level. So once again, are you comfortable cooking?
Yes, I'm comfortable cooking.
Are you comfortable eating your own food?
Yes, I'm comfortable eating my own food.
Are you comfortable using a laptop?
Yes, I'm comfortable using my laptop.
Are you comfortable cooking?
Yes, I'm comfortable with cooking.
Are you comfortable when boys say no for a relationship?
Yes,
no, hold on. The moment you asked you that question, you did this. It was not mechanical. I need you to go so mechanical with your body language that as if I am asking you, are you comfortable cooking? Your answer has to be the same. You got it?
Right.
All right, so let's get ready again. Are you comfortable cooking?
Yes, I'm comfortable with cooking.
You see the way you did it? You take your eyebrows up and you say, yes, I'm comfortable cooking. I want you to be present to that body language of yours. So everybody get used to this answer with me. Is everybody answering with me, by the way? No? Come on, get answering with me. I'm going to do it with her again, but I'm doing it with all of you. Come on. Are you comfortable cooking?
Yes, I'm comfortable with cooking.
Are you comfortable eating your own food?
Yes, I'm pretty much comfortable eating my food.
Are you comfortable using a laptop?
Yes, I'm comfortable with using laptops.
Are you comfortable cooking?
Yes, I'm comfortable with cooking.
Are you comfortable with rejection with boys?
I'm comfortable with rejection.
Hold on. There was a slight gap there again. Did you see that? I don't need that gap. I need that mechanical correction. Okay? So here we go again. That's why I want you to be present to the way you're saying comfortable. Are you comfortable cooking?
Yes, I'm comfortable with cooking.
Are you comfortable with eating your own food?
Yes, I'm comfortable with eating my food.
Are you comfortable with using a laptop?
I'm comfortable using a laptop.
Are you comfortable cooking?
Yes, I'm comfortable with cooking.
Are you comfortable with rejection?
I'm comfortable with rejection.
Are you comfortable with eating your own food?
Yes, I'm comfortable with eating.
Are you comfortable with rejection?
I'm comfortable with rejection.
Are you comfortable using a laptop?
I'm comfortable with laptops.
Are you comfortable with rejections?
I'm comfortable with rejections.
Are you comfortable with cooking?
Yes, I'm comfortable with cooking.
Are you comfortable with rejections?
I'm comfortable with rejection.
No, there was a difference there. You blinked your eyes over there a little bit. Don't do that. See, the way you're doing it is you're moving your eyes upwards when you're saying something that you're really comfortable with.
I really don't know how to. It's like
you just need to be present. Just requires practice, nothing else. There's already quite a big difference, by the way. You did it quite well. It was 70% there, not just 30% more. Okay, so just be present. Are you comfortable cooking?
Yes, I'm comfortable with cooking.
Are you comfortable cooking?
Yes, I'm comfortable.
Are you comfortable eating your own food?
Yes, I'm comfortable eating.
Are you comfortable with a laptop?
Yes, I'm comfortable with laptop.
Are you comfortable cooking?
I'm comfortable with cooking.
Are you comfortable with rejection?
Yes, I'm comfortable with rejection.
Are you comfortable eating your own food?
Yes, I'm comfortable with eating my food.
Are you comfortable with rejections?
Yes, I'm comfortable with rejections.
Good. Are you comfortable eating your own food?
Yes, I'm comfortable with eating
Are
my
you comfortable with rejections?
food. I'm comfortable with rejections.
Are you comfortable with a laptop?
Yes, I'm comfortable with laptops.
Are you comfortable with rejections?
Yes, I'm comfortable with rejections.
Good. Are you comfortable eating your own food?
Yes, I'm comfortable with my food.
Are you comfortable with rejections?
Yes, I'm comfortable with rejections.
Are you comfortable with cooking?
Yes, I'm comfortable with cooking.
Are you comfortable with rejections?
Yes, I'm comfortable with rejections.
What did you have for dinner last night?
It's non-veg.
What did you cook last night?
I didn't cook.
Okay, when was the last time you cooked?
Today morning.
Are you comfortable with rejections?
Yes, I'm comfortable with rejections.
Now you saw that your eyes went up exactly the way it is supposed to when you were saying the earlier statement. Now you got it. See? Say it again and check the difference in your own heart. I'm comfortable with rejection. Say it and feel it.
And I should respect that.
Now I didn't ask you to say that, but that became like an additional statement. But say it anyway. I am comfortable with rejections. Say it again.
I'm comfortable with rejections.
Okay, now close your eyes
Yes.
and imagine talking to a boy about marriage. And he's saying no, and say, I'm comfortable with rejections.
I'm comfortable with rejections.
Perfect.
Okay.
See, now it's the same as professional rejection. Because you already have that comfort in another area. We just had to transfer it here. Okay, perfect. Good job. All right. How was that proof? Loved it? Tell me in the comment section below, what did you learn? Did you love it? I loved it. Every time I watch these students eliminating their fears in 10 minutes, I feel what an amazing life now they are going to have 1 year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. Because now their destiny has shifted. Their destination has shifted. Who they were before and after this workshop is completely different. Do you want to gain this superpower yourself? If yes, below this video right now, I've given you a link. Quickly click on it. Register right now. I'm giving you access to the first lesson of NLP program completely free for a limited period of time. I don't know when you're watching this video. I hope it's still free. If yes, quickly click on it, register, and make sure that you take advantage of the first lesson of NLP completely free, where you will learn how you can also become this powerful, where you can take control of your brain, you can take control of your heart, rewire yourself to attract success and avoid failure in your life by eliminating these unnecessary emotions like fear. Ready? Quickly click on the link, register now. And hey, before you go, remember, in the future, if you want more such amazing content, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon right now. And share this video with 3 of your friends who you know are struggling with fear, so you can inspire them. And you can tell them that they can also handle their fear. They don't have to worry about being stuck forever. See you soon in my next video.